In this question, you have to identify the net gain of ATP when each molecule of glucose is converted to two molecules of pyruvic acid. Now, when one molecule of glucose undergoes glycolysis, it is converted into two molecules of pyruvic acid. And during this process, the net gain of ATP is 4 molecules. Now, glycolysis involves the investment of two molecules which are used in the initial steps, and during the process, as already stated, 4 ATP molecules are produced by substrate level phosphorylation. Thus, the net gain of ATP is 2 molecules. Hence, the correct answer is option B. Options A, C and D are incorrect as these represents incorrect number of ATPs.